Today I am going to show you the unboxing of the Cadyce USB 2 serial. I keep getting the questions of what is inside, इसमें अंदर क्या है क्या नहीं है, इसमें CD है क्या नहीं है. My name is Nimesh. I am from CA Exports and let's start with the unboxing of Cadyce USB 2 serial. See, this is the packing of the USB 2 serial. It's nicely screen shaped, proper packing, steady material. From the pack only you feel it's a good quality product. Now let's open from the product. The box. They have the installation CD inside. Even though if you don't get the CD, you get the driver from their side, so you are not to worry. Currently the CD is already there. This is the packing. This is one side you have the USB. The other side is the 9-pin Rs232 converter. This product is mainly used for the applications like automation, then also it is used for the weighing balance and for the other applications where the data communication is required between USB to Rs232. Now this is plug and play product. You don't need to read any CDs or anything installation. It works for all type of Windows, Macbook and everywhere it gets supported. All the applications is running, even it is running for till the Windows 11, we have the drivers for this. It's a very steady product and it comes with the 1-year warranty, on-site warranty, where you get the free pickup and free drop all over India wherever this product is getting used. So if you have any queries, any questions, any comments, please feel free to connect with me and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you in my next video.